I want to jump in my truck and do some truck stuff. Oh, snap! Looks like I done gone and given myself an excuse to film another episode of I Hate Working on Cars.
Blue is my truck.
If you got the right tools for the job, which, hint, hint, you can find my Amazon affiliate links in the video description below, changing out this door handle is a cinch, and I'm going to show you how. I really recommend these little red plastic tools I'm using. It's only like 13 bucks and worth every penny. Then I'll circle up to the power window switch and you can just get under there and pop it straight up like so. Then just disconnect the connectors and remove it. Now I'll give this mirror trim panel a jerk, and since I have the Luxomatic high-class Ford Super Duper Duty sound system, I have one more plug to undo here for the Tweety speaker. With a 7mm socket, there's 4 screws to undo, 2 at the bottom of the door panel, and 2 under that little cover we took off on step 1. I'll tuck the power window wire in, and then just grab her by the door handle and give her a pull straight up. Now I'll remove the remaining connectors and voila! Remove door panel. Easy peasy. Now just pull back the sound deadener. And just take your rubber off. We're ready to get the door handle out. First thing I'm going to tackle is wedging out this door lock rod. Next I'll tackle this quick release for the door latch. Just 2 11mm bolts to go, this one at the bottom. Don't forget to remove a little wire harness retainer. And this hole we took a rubber off for. Now pull the door handle out, but pull it up and out to clear the little metal lever at the bottom of the thing. Next I'll take my door actuator rod out of the old hole and stick it in the new hole. Then I'll pull the wire clip that holds the door lock in place so I can slide the door lock out of the old handle and force it unwillingly into the new cheap piece of shit door handle. Now, putting it back together is the same thing as taking it apart, just in reverse. Thanks for watching. If you find me mildly amusing, or hell, even helpful, give this here video a like and consider subscribing so Google AI will know you better than you know yourself. I'll see you next time.